Hello children, welcome to you. Children, today I am going to teach you Cronje anatomy. The anatomy of leaves of C4 plants is different from the leaves of C3 plant. C4 plants have a peculiar type of leaf anatomy that is called Cronje anatomy. Children, you know, in the leaf, in between upper and lower epidermis, mesophyll cells are found. And generally, the mesophyll cells are differentiated into palisade and spongy cell. And vascular bundles are scattered inside the leaves. But in the C4 plant, which is showing the Cronje anatomy, the mesophyll cells are clustered around the bundle sheath cells in a ring-like fashion. The number of chloroplasts into the bundle sheath cell is more than in the mesophyll cell. So, children, you see in the leaf, this is the upper epidermis and there is lower epidermis. On the outer surface of upper epidermis, there is thin layer of cuticle, and this structure is called vascular bundle. Veins are present in the leaves, therefore they are vascular bundles. These are xylem and this is phloem. So xylem and phloem. Around the vascular bundle, this is the bundle sheath. These cells are bundle sheath, and mesophyll cells are clustered around this bundle sheath. But when you see the structure of the cells of bundle sheath and mesophyll cell, you will see in the bundle sheath there are a large number of chloroplasts. Number of chloroplasts in the bundle sheath cells is more in comparison to the mesophyll cells. So these are the mesophyll cells. In the mesophyll cells, number of chloroplasts are less, but in bundle sheath cells, number of chloroplasts are more. And here you see in between the upper epidermis and lower epidermis, palisade cells are absent. Here no differentiation of mesophyll cell into palisade and spongy mesophyll cell. So palisade cells are absent. And I told the chloroplasts are numerous in the cells of bundle sheath. Chloroplasts are less in number, and small chloroplasts are present in the mesophyll cells. But the chloroplasts of mesophyll cells have well developed grana, and chloroplasts of bundle sheath cells are large and agranal. Agranal means thus these cells of bundle sheath cells have chloroplast, but in that chloroplast either grana are absent or poorly developed grana are present. So Children, in this you have to keep in mind in what is the peculiarity in the Cron's anatomy. First is there is no palisade, no differentiation of mesophyll cell into palisade and spongy mesophyll cell. Second thing, vascular bundle is surrounded by a cell that is called bundle sheath, and mesophyll cells are clustered around the bundle sheath. When you see the structure of cells of the bundle sheath, in the bundle sheath cells, large number of chloroplasts are present, and chloroplasts are also large in size. But in the chloroplast, grana are absent or poorly developed. In the mesophyll cells, these are mesophyll cells. In the mesophyll cells, number of chloroplasts are less and small, but they have well developed grana. So, number of chloroplasts in the mesophyll cells are less, size of the chloroplast are small, but they are having well developed grana. And chloroplasts which are present in the bundle sheath cells, they are large in number, they are large in size, but in that grana are absent or poorly developed. So this I told about the Cron's anatomy, and this type of anatomy is found in the C4 plants. Some C4 plants are crabgrass, maize, sugarcane, millet and sorghum.